Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how pessimism shapes your worldview and decision making. Pessimism is the tendency to expect the worst possible outcome in any situation. It can affect how you see yourself, others, and the world around you. But how does pessimism influence your choices and actions? Let's find out. First of all, pessimism can affect your mental and physical health in various ways. Pessimists are more likely to experience stress, anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, insomnia, cardiovascular disease, and even premature death. This is because pessimism can trigger a negative feedback loop in which negative thoughts lead to negative emotions, which in turn lead to negative behaviors and outcomes. For example, a pessimist may think that they are not good enough for a job, which may make them feel hopeless and discouraged, which may make them perform poorly or give up on their career goals, which may confirm their initial belief and lower their self-esteem even more. Pessimism can also impair your immune system and make you more susceptible to infections and diseases. This is because pessimism can cause chronic inflammation in your body, which is linked to various health problems such as diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. For example, a pessimist may think that they are doomed to get sick, which may make them feel stressed and anxious, which may increase their levels of cortisol and other inflammatory hormones, which may weaken their immune system and make them more prone to illness. Secondly, pessimism can affect your relationships with others in negative ways. Pessimists tend to have a negative view of human nature and believe that people are selfish, dishonest, and unreliable. They may also feel alienated from themselves and others, which can lead to isolation, loneliness, and mistrust. For example, a pessimist may think that their partner is cheating on them, which may make them feel insecure and jealous, which may make them act suspiciously or accusatorily, which may damage their relationship and push their partner away. Pessimists may also have difficulty expressing their emotions, communicating their needs, and resolving conflicts with others. This is because pessimism can cause them to avoid or withdraw from social situations or to react defensively or aggressively when faced with challenges or disagreements. For example, a pessimist may think that their friend doesn't care about them, which may make them feel hurt and angry, which may make them ignore their friend's calls or lash out at them for no reason, which may ruin their friendship and leave them feeling more alone. Thirdly, pessimism can affect your performance and success in various domains of life. Pessimists tend to have low expectations of themselves and their abilities. They may also focus on their weaknesses, failures, and mistakes rather than their strengths, achievements, and opportunities. For example, a pessimist may think that they are not smart enough for school, which may make them feel demotivated and frustrated, which may make them study less or give up on learning, which may result in poor grades and low self-confidence. Pessimists may also avoid taking risks, trying new things, or pursuing their goals for fear of failure or rejection. They may also blame themselves or external factors for their problems rather than taking responsibility or seeking solutions. For example, a pessimist may think that they are not talented enough for music, which may make them feel scared and embarrassed, which may make them stop practicing or performing, which may prevent them from developing their skills or discovering their potential. So far, we have seen how pessimism can shape your worldview and decision-making in many negative ways. It can affect your health, your relationships, and your success. However, this does not mean that pessimism is always bad or that optimism is always good. In fact, sometimes a little pessimism might actually be a good thing. One possible benefit of pessimism is that it can help you reduce anxiety by using a strategy called defensive pessimism. Defensive pessimism involves setting low expectations and considering worst-case scenarios before facing a challenging situation. This can help you plan ahead and feel better prepared for whatever obstacles you may have to face in the future. For example, a defensive pessimist may think that they will fail an exam, which may make them study harder or seek extra help, which may improve their chances of passing. Another possible benefit of pessimism is that it can help you cope with negative outcomes by using a strategy called post hoc pessimism. Post hoc pessimism involves rationalizing or accepting a bad outcome after it has happened by thinking that it could have been worse or that it was inevitable. This can help you avoid disappointment, regret, or guilt and move on with your life. For example, a post hoc pessimist may think that they lost their job because of the bad economy, which may make them feel less responsible or ashamed, which may motivate them to look for new opportunities. Therefore, pessimism can have some benefits in certain situations, especially when negative outcomes are important to consider and when they can be prevented or accepted. However, chronic pessimism can be more harmful than many people think. It can create a self-fulfilling prophecy in which your negative expectations become reality. It can also prevent you from enjoying the positive aspects of life and from reaching your full potential. In conclusion, pessimism is a way of thinking that can shape your worldview and decision-making in various ways. It can have negative effects on your health, your relationships, and your success. It can also have some benefits in specific situations, such as reducing anxiety or coping with negative outcomes. However, chronic pessimism can be detrimental to your well-being and your growth. Therefore, it is important to find a balance between pessimism and optimism and to use them wisely depending on the context. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on psychology. See you next time.